Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Niro dashboard step by step. Disconnect the negative battery terminal, use a plastic trim tool to remove trim, and unscrew visible fasteners. Carefully detach air vents and center stack connectors, label each plug, and set screws aside in a labeled container. Work methodically and avoid forcing clips to prevent damage. Keep repair manual notes and take photos to aid reassembly. Prepare your workspace and tools before you start removing the dashboard. Lay out drivers, Torx bits, trim tools, and containers for fasteners. Turn off the ignition and unplug the battery to prevent short circuits while you work. Take photos of connector locations and trim orientation for reference during reassembly. Move slowly when disengaging clips so plastic fascia stays intact and wiring remains undamaged for a smooth reinstall. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long repairs with the Owala water bottle I mentioned. It fits cup holders and keeps water cold. Check the description for the link and other deals that support the channel and help you save on tools. Thanks for watching and supporting the content. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing lower panels and the glove box to reveal mounting screws. Unscrew the center stack and use a plastic tool to separate bezels without bending clips. Carefully unclip vents and map out each connector while documenting their positions. Store screws and clips in labeled containers so you can find them quickly. When lifting the dash, have a friend support the weight to prevent strain or accidental damage to wiring harnesses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.